Decision theory. Decision theory shows some ways of selecting one action to optimize payoff under uncertainty. One action, what to do? Optimizing means maximizing a desired payoff or minimizing an undesirable payoff. Desirable payoffs are ultimately profit, maybe revenue, something. Minimizing time, performance time, or cost, or so on. Minimizing loss or cost, like this. Okay, let's study a concrete next problem. A vendor at a local football stadium must determine whether to sell ice cream or hot coffee. At today's game, the vendor believes that the profit made will depend upon the weather. Her payoff table is shown below. So to make a decision to select a choice from two, ice cream or coffee, and states of nature are two weather conditions, cold or warm weather. So her payoff table is shown below. So payoff table is given below. Rows represent two possible actions, alternatives X. Two columns represent two weather conditions, two states of nature. Point 4 and point 6 are the probabilities of these two conditions. So the payoff value, if one sells hot coffee and if the weather condition is cold, the payoff will be 40, maybe profit. Under warm condition, warm weather condition, the payoff will be 55. And ice cream, 20 in cold weather condition and 80 in warm weather condition. So here payoff table profit. So payoffs are profits. Profits are desirable payoff. Therefore, we have to maximize profit, maximize payoff. So E and V is expected monetary value. They are actually expected payoffs, expected profit. Expected profit for action 1, expected profit for action 2. Okay. Based upon her past experience at this time of the year, the vendor estimates the probability of warm weather is as 0.6. So we have to use this 0.6 as the probability of getting warm weather. Therefore, the probability of getting the cold weather is 0.4. So 0.6, 0.4. Problem analysis. So this is under two uncertain situations with known probabilities. We know situations, we know their probabilities, we know two possible actions. We know that we have to maximize payoff. Therefore, we can do this, we can use decision theory technique. Okay. So we have to identify, actually, to use decision theory, we have to identify three components: states of nature, or we call events, our alternatives, X or actions to choose from, and what payoff is, how to optimize this. Okay, solution. We have payoffs, therefore we have to, next step is to compute EMVs for each action, expected payoffs. So we have to recall expected value formula. expected payoff is the sum of each payoff times probability to have this payoff. Therefore, EMV of action 1 is payoff value 40 times the probability to get this payoff 0.4 plus payoff value 55 times the probability to get this payoff 0.6. Compute this. 49. Enter here. Similarly, action 2, EMV of action 2 is 56. 20 times 0.4 plus 80 times 0.6. Record there. So there are two values. What is maximum? 56. The corresponding action is action 2. Sell ice cream. This is the way.